Hey guys, so right now, this morning, it's a very important morning. I'm actually headed to go get a new member of the family. So it's an important day, and we really want to remember it. I'm actually on my way to go get him by myself early in the morning. It's a cute one. He's cute. Man, can't wait for Janae and Janelle to see him. So, here we go. So I'm here outside the apartment where the puppy is at, but the guy's not texting me back. He said to check with him before I come because he gets out of work late and whatnot. I live an hour away, so if I texted him, I'd have to wait an hour to get to him. What I'm saying is I wanted to pick up this puppy as early as possible because we have other things to do. So I'm here and it's almost 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna wait till 9 to go knock up on his door. I don't remember his room number. I think it was the 3rd floor. I remember the door, but I can't remember the floor. I don't know. We're gonna wake somebody up. We're gonna wake a few people up looking for this puppy. Well, hopefully I don't get, yelled at. What was that? That's no. So here we go. This gotta be it. Alright, let's see. So I'm here and the guy's like washing the puppy because he has like poop on him and stuff, puppy stuff. But I guess we'll get it out now. Found him first door. It's a pretty nice place here. Art, we got art. Cool. Nice view. Oh, I got the puppy. Oh, we got the puppy. We got a puppy. We got a puppy. But we're going to the car because it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Let's go. Welcome, new member of the family. Hey, I don't even know your name. We don't even have a name for you yet, boy. Look at him trying to get out. Stay in there. We're going home. All right, here we go. Janae. Look, Janae, look what I got. Oh, look. You're not impressed? Look how cute the puppy is. Cutie. Mira. Look, play with the puppy. Oh, the puppy. Oh, my, how does he ignore a puppy? Oh, that's your new baby brother. Oh, great.
Hey.
Hey, whoa. Uh-oh. Hey. Hey. Look at that doggy belly.
Look at that belly. Look at that belly. This is Justin Bailey, and he's our new puppy.
Welcome, Justin. Say welcome, big little brother. Big little brother. Yeah, you love him? He loves you. Right? Right, Justin? Say bye.